Today's lesson on 12-2 point slope form is split into 4 separate sections. The first section will cover example A. Then we will cover questions 1 to 4. We will cover questions 7 and questions 8 to 9. Let's go ahead and take a look at example A to start off with. The introduction to example A says, another form of the equation of a line is the point-slope form. The point-slope form of the equation is found by solving the slope formula m equals y minus y1 over x minus x1 for y minus y1 by multiplying both sides by x minus x1. You may use the form when you know a point on the line and the slope. Point-slope form of a linear equation looks like y minus y1 equals m parentheses x minus x1, where m is the slope of the line and x1, y1 is the point on the line. Example A states, write an equation of the line with a slope of 1 over 2 that passes through the point 2, 5, and then graph the line. So, they substitute the given values into point-slope form. I was given m, that was 1/2, and I was given a point on the line, which was 2, 5. 2 will represent my x1, 5 will represent my y1. Now recall that the equation says y minus x minus. So whenever you plug these into the equation, it's going to say y minus 5, x minus 2. If you need to express the solution to example A in slope-intercept form, you could apply the distributive property and then combine like terms. They have also graphed this particular function for you. The first thing they did was they plotted point 2, 5. 2, 5 is located right here. We know that our slope is 1 over 2, so that is a rise of 1, a run of 2. Rise of 1, run of 2, and so forth. On the next page, we have try these A. You're given you're given a point and a slope, and you're asked to identify the equation of the line. Now, remember that the equation says y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. And you're given m and x1, y1. Then, in the second part, for C and D, you're given the equation, and you're asked to identify your point and your slope. I would strongly recommend that before you move to the next slide, you take about 4 minutes to first, for A and B, write down the equation, and for C and D, identify your slope and your point. On the next slide, you're going to see a time to climb. It's going to have 4 questions, and it's going to ask you to identify the information from the Try These A. On to your time to climb. Good luck.